Welcome. In front of me I have LG K62 Plus, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So you have to open notification bar just like that, click right here, and if you want to change position of these icons, for example you want to get do not disturb mode on the upper section of the list, you have to click, hold, and then drag it like that. And if you want to change position of these icons, for example you want to get location, click, hold, and then put it here. If you want to remove or add any other icons like LG 3D sound, just make the same, bang, and there it is. If you want to remove icons, for example rotation, put it here. Then click on the switcher to confirm, and as you can see it was changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.